This video demonstrates using ACDP and ACDP2 devices to add CAS3++ keys through OBD. Connection method between ACDP and vehicle OBD2 as shown. Connection method between ACDP2 and vehicle OBD2 as shown. Open ACDP app. Confirm that the device is connected. Click BMW. Click CAS1-4. Click CAS3 CAS3+. Click OBD mode. Click IMMO. Click Identify Info. Click OK. Ensure the vehicle enough battery voltage and turn on the ignition. Click Continue. System status display normal. Display needs downgraded. Screenshot saving readout device information. Click OK. Identify system info finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click Downgrade Programming. Click OK. Ensure the vehicle enough battery voltage and turn on the ignition. Click Continue. Confirm that the identified information is normal. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click OK. Pull out the key, turn off the ignition. If it is a smart key, please take the key out of the car. Please keep the battery fully charged during the programming process. Click Continue. Writing flash data. Please wait. Programming CAS finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click ADD key, automatic mode. Click OK. Ensure the vehicle enough battery voltage and turn on the ignition. Click Continue. Confirm that the identified information is normal, no needs downgraded. Click Continue. Click OK. Please save CAS data. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Screenshot save interface information. Click Continue. Put the work key correctly on the BAV key adapter. ACDP as shown. ACDP2 as shown. Click Continue. Screenshot save interface information. Click Continue. Select any blank key path. Click Continue. Put the blank key correctly on the BAV key adapter. ACDP as shown. ACDP2 as shown. Click Continue. Confirm whether the key to be matched is a smart key or a remote key. This video takes the remote control key as an example. Click No. Click OK. Please save CAS data. Click OK. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Screenshot save interface information. Click Continue. Use the work key to open the ignition. Click Continue. Add new key finish. Click OK. Click OK. Check whether the new key functions properly.
Thanks for watching.